Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to open your clipboard. It's very easy, and of course if you haven't seen how to turn on clipboard, that will be a video that you can check out on the channel as well. So how do you go with open clipboard? You just need to press two keys on your keyboard. So simply press the Windows plus V on your keyboard, and this comes up on my second screen, so I'm going to drag it here. All you have to do is just press Windows plus V on your keyboard and you will see that it copied to clipboard. And as you can see here, everything, once you have this option turned on your computer, whatever you copy, it will be recorded. And to prove to you the last video that I've recorded, I have created a title for it called How to Turn on Clipboard, and I copied the text to name the file, right? So you will be able to see that video as well. So everything that you have recorded, everything that you have copied on your computer, it will be recorded once you turn on Clipboard. But that's how you access Clipboard, guys. Very easy. Windows key plus V, and you will be able to open up your Clipboard. And if at any point in time you want to delete something, let's say I don't want you to see what I'm writing or what I'm copying from time to time, you can simply click it, delete, or you can clear all. And that's it, become empty again. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.